Hello. Good afternoon, friends. We're at the Imperial Hotel. We have Samir Gupta with us. He's a professional chartered accountant. He was practicing in India and abroad, as in Oman. Oman. Yeah, so he was there and he's worked in the corporate world. Today we find him behind Haldi Vita Tea. So we want to learn from him that how did he get into the world of Haldi Vita? What prompted him to get into this business? So,
Sanjay ji, it's a very interesting journey and a very interesting story. Actually, what had happened was when I came back to India after staying for about 16, 17 years overseas, I was highly diabetic. My HbA1c level was nearly about 8.7. I was high on cholesterol and I was overweight. I was nearly about 94 kgs of weight. And that was the time when I chanced to meet this gentleman who was doing his research in Ayurveda. And he told me about a very, very special turmeric which was called Swarna, which is like absolutely Ayurvedic and it has immense, medical benefits. He told me, he said, Samir, why are you popping all these allopathic medicines? I will give you a mix. Now, everybody knows about curcumin in haldi or in turmeric. But unfortunately, what happens is curcumin is not biosoluble. It's not bioavailable. In order to make it bioavailable, Ayurveda kind of tells you that you have to mix about 13 or 14 different herbs of a particular quality in a particular proportion. And that was the time when I picked up that product, I had it, and I was amazed to find in 9 months my diabetes level fell to 5.7, 5.8 HbA1c. My cholesterol became normal, and I lost about 22, 23 kgs of weight.
okay.
And of course, I
That's
was doing
lovely.
I was
It's
doing
quite
a
an accomplishment.
Thanks a lot. And of course, I was doing pranayam, I was doing yoga along with that, and a little bit of diet control. But I mean, it kind of aggravated my control over diabetes. So that was the time when I started this Haldi Vita dietary mix. Now, we are doing it in 4 different variants. I mean, this is like a mix. This is the premium product, what we have got. It's a mix of 5 different haldis. And each haldi has got some role to play in the overall well being. Any age group, any kind of any person can take this, be it a person who's 90 years of age or a kid who's about 6 7 years of age, they can have this. The second variant we have got is elaichi pista, and that is like very delicious. And for that also, what we did was there was a chef who worked along with us to
Right.
create the right flavor for
Oh,
people
really?
without really impacting the benefits of haldi vita. This After this we ventured, we said ki like the kids, and for kids and all we came out with cookies.
Yes.
This has also got the
Yeah.
same kind of mix. We have
The
got,
choco cookies and
yeah, we have got choco cookies, we have got coconut, we have got ashwagandha, we have got this multigrain, we have got yeah, so
these are all
different.
for like people like school going children. They can
Anybody
have
can
it.
have it.
They can carry it for lunch.
Yeah, yeah, they
So
can
it's
carry it for
healthy.
lunch. Very healthy. It has got spices, it has got haldi, it has got, different spices are there, plus the flavor is there.
All right.
And similarly, we made this tea, which is again 7 different varieties of tea. Now, these are like rhododendron, chamomile, it has got nettle tea, amla, it has tulsi, we have got green tea. So you have got 7 different kinds of flavors. Again, this is not just the herb. It also has different spices like haldi. So it's a kind of a blend, and there's a very, very famous tea connoisseur who kind of blended it for us. And after that, we created. So now, the main thing about our products is the quality which we would like to maintain. And because of this quality, we are able to export it to 18 different countries.
That's right. I want to. I'm curious. Like we just met you today, and you told me that this what you have started is for the benefit of the farmers who come from Uttarakhand, Chamoli district. So when you talk about since it's contract with them, so you help them. You said it's over 18 months. This product is developed. The natural whatever is grown there, and then you're going to process it. So where do you do the processing? If you want to share with us, like, is it in Delhi?
See, like I told you, this haldi is a very, very rare herb. I mean, it's a spice, but it's a very rare herb. And it takes 18 months to grow. That is why it is called budi haldi in the colloquial language. The farmers are very reluctant because they didn't want to tie up their money for 18 months. They prefer to get into commercial haldi, which grows in 7 to 8 months, and they're ready with the crop.
So
And they can
times a day.
Exactly.
Yes.
So that was the time when we decided there were two reasons. One, we wanted to promote Ayurveda, and secondly, we saw the poor flight of the farmers there. I mean, these are all marginal farmers, so we worked along with an NGO and we started supporting these farmers. We are supporting nearly about 100 farmers in Chamoli, and we have a contract with them. They grow haldi for us, and periodically we keep on giving them money. That is one way of doing it. Now this came to the notice of the government in Uttarakhand. So Chief Minister got to know about it. We are also incubated in IIM Kashipur and IIM Udaipur.
Yes.
So the Chief Minister got to know about it, and then he sent a word to the MLA of some other MLA in Uttarakhand. So we are also working in that particular region, Lansdowne area. We are working along with 100 farmers in Lansdowne area, but unfortunately because of this lockdown and all,
Right.
it became very difficult to start the project. But now very soon we would be moving ahead. We have got a company by the name of Haldivita Charitable Foundation.
Okay.
Now a lot of people, they came forward, they donated money, they donated in kind also, and that was primarily to support the farmers and their families.
All right. And as we were discussing when we were talking to you earlier, that this product is available on haldivita.com, the website, which is the company website. So you can order this online. It's available in supermarkets across India. So you could check it up at your local stores. And once the demand picks up, so pricing, definitely what I came to know, they've priced it pretty reasonable. It's affordable. It's not expensive brand. It's a nice brand which has been developed now. And what are your future plans?
See, right now, we are focusing on all these three verticals. So, like you rightly pointed out, it's available on haldivita.com. It's also there in Amazon, and if you Google it, you will find its availability on 22 different platforms, e-commerce platforms.
Okay.
And our plan is like we want to popularize it and make people aware of this product, which will not only kind of help them in their own lifestyle in the sense like their health, but also it will support the farmers in Uttarakhand. So this is one thing which we are doing very aggressively. We are participating in exhibitions and startup, whatever forums are there. We are available on about 10,000 stores all over India. So we are working along with the retail segment, different channels. So we would like to propagate it and take it forward.
All right. And when you talk about farmers in Uttarakhand, so how many farmers are involved? And do we have women and men both? And second thing is, how many acres of land, are they using for cultivation? Since you said it's 18 months, so 18 months is almost 2 years of anybody's life. And then, there'll be some time when they need to, means it'll be waiting time as well. So how many, and do they, any second crop do they grow? Or is it every time, it's recultivated?
See, one thing which we have told the farmers is, don't give us your entire field, just give us a small portion of your field. So that's why our requirement is not very huge at this stage. So what we have done is, like 100 farmers are there, even if they give 1/10 or 1/5 of their field, it's more than enough for us, and they get an additional income. Because initially when they were growing the Swarna Haldi, they were selling it in the market, processed Haldi, for about 400, 500 rupees. Today, we are able to give them somewhere around 1200 to 1500 rupees. Because if we used to buy it from the market, we used to get it for 1600 rupees. So like it's a win-win situation, both for the farmers, both for us also, and it's a direct contract what we are doing. So like I said, we don't ask them for their entire field. We take a portion of their field where we request them to grow this for us so that they can grow the other cash crops and seasonal crops for their earning.
All right. And last thing now I wanted to know that the government of India, they have the food processing ministry. So do they also, are you able to get some sort of assistance or like, for research, or when you said organic, when about pesticides, we have the IARI. So are you in touch with them as well?
We are incubated in NIFTEM also. So there we do get support from the professors in case we have got a query. But yeah, I mean, whatever research we have been doing it on our own.
On your own.
Yeah,
Okay.
without
you
any
have-
government support. But yes, the government has funded a minor fund we have got from the government through IIM Kashipur Saksham program.
Okay. So I think we'll close it that now. So thank you very much, and we wish, even I am going to today, I think in the night or tomorrow morning, even I'll sample the tea so we could get the real feel of it. And haldi, one more question which was coming in my mind when we were talking about, you're talking about amla, right? So amla, the gooseberry. So आंवला is normally आंवले का मुरब्बा बचपन से हमने सुना था, and also I think for your hair it was amla with shikakai, which I was always scared of, but then somebody said no, it's as good. And then I feel that a lot of people have experimented with our tulsi ji, which is again in different forms, Krishna tulsi and all, basil. So we have basil Manchurian also, which we go to the club and we order. So do you have also anything in with haldi, with tulsi, or does it work or doesn't work?
It does. See, it's a mix of it's a haldi tea, which has got basil in it.
Okay.
Yeah, tulsi chai.
All right. So means there's nothing like there's no reaction, no? Because I said like we got to educate the viewer. Like it means when they're having haldi, so it's a blend, and like when you're adding, what I thought was like जैसे घर में आप रोटी बना रहे हैं, when you're making any dough, so you add some salt, You're supposed to add 1 gram or 2 grams or milligrams. So similarly, haldi is in that proportion to the tea content, which would give you, means it will, what do you call, it will energize you. It will act as an antioxidant. It does, right? Yeah, so I think thank you so much for speaking to us today. And we wish you all the best. And we hope that this, your movement means it goes across the world. And people come to India and you have cafes. That could be my suggestion for you, Haldi Vita cafes. Because a lot of, in Delhi I've seen, and even in places like Chhattisgarh, they have so many cafes with tea. There is Chai Ka Theka. I don't know, my friend told me somewhere in East Delhi. And then, it's means because our Prime Minister has also been advocating, and chai is a very popular thing now happening. So we wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.